Morning. Morning. Morning, morning, morning. Not a bad night last night. It was quite windy and rainy. Hear the water lapping up against the shore. Could hear Tweed's tent shaking like a leaf in the background. Hey, the sun's just poking up over there. You probably can't. Oh, I look a state. Look quite sunburned actually. That sun cream might have been a good idea, but no. This is the trusty Coleman Cobra. Nice spacious porch area. Nice spacious living compartment there. My bag's just the other side. That's how I've been rolling on the coast to coast. Gonna get some porridge on, get fueled up, get packed away and get on the path. It's a long day today, some miles in it. Got to go up Kidsty Pike as well, which is quite a big one. I think we're about 550 metres up at the minute, and we go up to 730 or whatever it is up Kidsty Pike. So a bit of a yomp into Shap. Join up with the original coast to coast, so we might be staying in Shap. We might push on a little bit on wild camp, so I'm not sure yet. We'll see how we are. Excellente. Porridge time. After slight navigational discombobulations, we triangulated our coordinates, and this is the knot.
No, it's not. This guy. Is it coast to coast anywhere?
No, not really. Kidsty Pike,
Come at it.
official summit. Hallswater. Stopping for a bit of a breather, have a snack bar, camel up with some water. Last peak of the Lake District.
And the highest one on the original coast to coast walk.
If we hadn't done all the Superman routes, which we did. Not all of them, 2 of them.
Yeah, we missed out the one at East Down.
Yeah. Tweedy is having an absolute nightmare. We've come to filter some water at the bottom of Kidsty Pike and he's realised that the microphone for his GoPro is missing. I've looked at the footage from this camera and he had it at the top of Kidsty Pike, so somewhere along the descent it's come off. Maybe in some of the craggy sections, but expensive bit of kit to be losing. He's on his way back down now. I think he's empty-handed. Hopefully someone will pick it up, and don't know how they're going to make it back to us, but shit one.
Looks okay.
Yeah. Wow, Haweswater's been a beaut. It's a nice lovely day for it as well. Nice high gates. I don't know what we're trying to keep out. T-Rex. The velociraptors that eat everything. So that's the end of Haweswater. Nothing but rolling countryside to be had. So I think that's the end of the mountains now. Bit of a sad moment, but needs to be done, doesn't it? We should just turn around and go back to the lake, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we might just do that. Why can't the whole country just be like the Lake District? Imagine that.
Pretty incredible. One foot in front of the other.
Just a walk, innit?
It's just a walk. We've spied a little treat. We'll see what's inside. Oh ho ho! Look at that. I don't know, mate. There's one toffee crisp in there. I think that might be mine.
Here you go, Thomas.
How much is that?
£4. 4 items.
4 items. We're giving you extra.
And a little tip, bro, for your generosity and your exquisite placement of a oyster box.
Oh, these are proper cold as well. Lovely little pit stop. Missed the Lake District already.
I don't know. Bit softer underfoot, our kid.
No jagged rocks to contend with or knee busters.
Knee bust. There's something strange
In the neighbourhood.
Go to the Lake District for knee busters. I ain't scared of no fells. Knee busters.
think he's a bit lonely. Thank you. Update number
9,038 2/4.
Just entering the lovely village of Shap, noted by the Shap sign. A couple of cowboys strolling into town. Transition king here on the Hero 7. Not a bad little saunter from Tarn this morning.
16 miles.
16-mile saunter.
Uphill and down. I do very well.
Not cool. I am getting eaten alive by these shitbox midges. Not happy.
He's really not happy. Really?
We're in a pub car park. We're getting eaten alive. They're not touching this slat.
They are.
They're not bothering with you.
It's because I don't stink. Like sweet.
I just gotta keep moving. Not good. Safe as houses.
Oh, middle bag and all.